Hello everyone. Last lectures were discussed about organizing. Today now discuss about staffing. Staffing part of the process of management which is concerned with acquiring, developing, employing, appraising, recruiting, selecting, placing, remunerating and retaining people. So that right type of person are available at right positions and at right time in the organization. The need of staffing arises in the initial period and also from time to time for replacement and also along with the expansion and diversification of business activities. In this context, staffing function plays very important role in organization. Right person for the right job is the basic principle of staffing. In the simple terms, staffing is putting right people to right jobs. Staffing is the process of hiring eligible candidates in the organization for specific positions. In management, the meaning of staffing is an operation of recruiting the employees by evaluating their skills, knowledge, and then offering them specific job roles accordingly. Dear friends, let's now see the definition of staffing. According to Luther Gulick, staffing is the whole personal function of bringing in and training the staff and maintaining favorable conditions of work. Other definition is according to S. Benjamin. Staffing is the process involved in identifying, assessing, placing, evaluating, and directing individuals at work. It means the staffing function is includes recruitment, selection, training, development, transfer, promotion and compensation of personnel. It is a truth that human resources is one of the greatest for every organization because in any organization all other resources like money, material, machine, etc. can be utilized effectively and efficiently by the positive efforts of human resources. Therefore, it is very important that each and every person should get right position in the organization so as to get the right job according to their ability, talent, aptitude and specialization so that it will help the organization to achieve the preset goals in the proper way by the 100% contribution of manpower. Thus, it can be said that it is staffing is an essential function of every business organization. Dear friends, now See the importance of staffing. Staffing is very important function of management after planning and organizing. This is related to the concept of the human resources management. The inputs are proceed into outputs with help of quality human resources. The objective of the organizations are achieved by such activity. Staffing is related with the appointment of the people at work. It is the process of filling vacant positions in the organization structure. Staffing is a comprehensive and continuous function that ensures the right kind of people at right time on appropriate job. The staffing involves determining the requirement of people at various organizational levels, appointing and retaining them at those levels. These appointed people should be retained with the help of training and development. First point, effective managerial function. Staffing is the key to effective performance of other functions of management such as planning, organizing, directing and controlling. Efficient workforce can work effectively in different functional areas like production, sales, finance, etc. The outcomes of other functions is based on the effectiveness of staffing. Next, leads to effective utilization of human resources. Staffing function leads to effective utilization of human resources, that is workforce. Proper care is taken at every stage such as recruitment, selection, placement, remuneration, training, development, etc. Excessive burden of work is avoided. Optimum utilization of human resources results in improvement in performance and progress of organization. Next, builds cordial relationship. This function is helpful in building healthy relationship among all levels of employees in the organization. A smooth human relation is the key to better communication and coordination of managerial efforts in an organization. Next, helps human resources development. Skilled and experienced employee is an asset of a business organization. Staffing helps to inculcate the organizational culture into employees. It trains and develops the existing workforce. It also ensures smooth functioning of all the managerial aspects of the business organization. Helps in effective use of technology and other resources. Trained employees can use the latest technology, capital, material, and methods of work effectively. It helps in building competitive strength of the organization. It is also it is also helpful in improving standard of work and productivity in terms of quality and quantity. Next, improves efficiency. Training and development programs are offered to the employees for self development and organizational development. Through proper selection, the organization gets quality employees, and through proper training, the performance level of the employees can be improved. Next, long term effect. Qualified, efficient, and skillful workforce is always an asset of the organization. Proper selection of employees leads the organization towards the path of success. Naturally, long term positive efforts can be observed on the efficiency of an organization. Next, essential contribution. Staffing ensures the continuity and growth of the organization through development of employees. Selection is based on the ability of the prospective employees so that organization can meet the future challenges wisely. Therefore, the contribution of the staff in their future roles is taken into account in staff function. Next, provides job satisfaction. Employees can be motivated through financial and non-financial incentives. Sufficient remuneration increases job satisfaction and morale of the employees. Training and development programs, fair remuneration, and job security are the factors which are important in providing job satisfaction. Maintains harmony. In staffing process, individuals are recruited, selected, placed as well as their performs in regularly appropriate and promotions are given on the basis of merit. This criteria is made and duly communicated to concerned employees. It brings peace and harmony in organization. Thanks.